Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to download Amazon Mini TV series. This is a great way to watch your favorite shows offline, especially when you're traveling or have limited internet access. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to amazon.in/minitv. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Amazon account. Enter your details to access the platform. Now, I should mention that I can't access Amazon Mini TV right now due to region restrictions, but I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to do once you're logged in. After you've successfully logged in, use the search bar to find the series you want to download. Type in the series name and wait for the results to appear. This search function helps you quickly locate specific shows without having to browse through categories. Once you see your desired series in the search results, click on the series title. This will take you to the series page where you can see all available episodes along with details about the show. On the series page, browse through the episode list and select the specific episode you want to save. Click on that episode to open its individual page. This is where the download option should be available if the series supports offline viewing. Look for the download button on the episode page. If it appears, click on it to proceed. Not all content on Amazon Mini TV may be downloadable, so if you don't see this button, the episode might not support offline downloads. If prompted, you'll need to choose the download quality. Amazon typically offers different quality options to balance between file size and video clarity. Select the quality that works best for your device storage and viewing preferences. After selecting your preferred quality, click on Start Download or Download to begin saving the episode to your device. The download process will start, and you'll see a progress indicator showing how much has been downloaded. Finally, to verify that your episode has been saved successfully, open the Downloads or My Downloads section in Amazon Mini TV. This is where all your offline content is stored, and you can access it anytime without an internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an Amazon Mini TV series episode for offline viewing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.